In this video tutorial, we are accomplishing the first LEGO League 2020 basketball competition, and we are using our LEGO Education Spike Prime robot. This here is the basketball mission model, where the goal is to bring the basket to the top of the ball and to have the ball, this yellow ball, inside the basket. There are a lot of ways in which you can accomplish this, and this makes the competition quite interesting as it's a complex mission. It involves you putting the ball in the basket and bringing the basket up. For this mission, we will use one of the most complex attachments that we built for this competition.
Find this and more tutorials at FLLCasts.com.